Yeah, good evening, good evening. This is Timeline Radio Sports. Today I'm filling in for Utumsani because I had to do this. And I'm tired, but I have no choice but to fill in for my dog. He couldn't make it today. But nonetheless, man, Mphathi,
Yeah.
kuhamba
Evening.
kahle?
Yeah. Evening to the viewers. Yonke into right futhi.
Sasemnandi ne?
Yeah.
Because normally sihlangana nge-Kaizer Chiefs. But
Yeah.
today sihlangana nge-different occasion.
Yeah, no, I'm excited ukuthi ngi-analyze i-game i-Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Some of the viewers bake bangicela ukuthi
Man, let's have another
Yes.
any team, you know.
Yeah.
We just watched Pirates. What are your thoughts, man? What are your thoughts?
First of all, congratulations to Orlando Pirates
Yeah.
for making it to the semis.
Semi-finals, yeah.
Yeah. My only problem, I'm not convinced performance yabo. First leg, even now, second leg, especially at home, yabo. So I thought maybe bazopressa kakhulu. I don't have a problem, net draw, but the performance, yabo.
It's very important.
Yeah.
Because Nami, looking at the performance, and looking at the performance of the team badlala nayo, your only team it was dead nje original. So Pirates will really capitalize on that.
Yeah.
You understand? Because now it's not good to perform a bad because that other team be better. No, that other team now performance nje they couldn't complete some passes and also they couldn't finish no figure boxing. You understand? Feel like ubona mawubukela team abangajwayele ngidlala bonke.
Yeah.
That's what I saw kule team le. I understand. There's just no direction. Mawafika phambili nje umuntu shayita umuntu, you know. So iPirates because bayazana and ukhumbule ischeme sePirates esikhathini esiningi starting 11 sub is almost the same isikwonke ama games.
Yeah.
So by now bemile definitely there ama game njengalawa abashaya ku 3 or 4 goals. You understand? Because I think in 70 minutes ngibona i-shorted goal beyi-1
Yes.
from the Orlando Pirates. Understand?
Yeah.
And that's for me. Those are poor results. Team efana Pirates.
Yes.
The stadium abantu baphumile bekupacked. You understand? We expected to see results. These are good results because we qualify. You understand?
Yes.
So it means if they didn't win the first leg, we were gonna have a problem.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying this will be a major concern going forward. I-performance yabo yabo because bayodlala ne-Pyramids manje.
True.
And I think i-Pyramids is much stronger than the one
that team,
badlala
yeah.
nayo. Yeah, so if bazoqhubeka ngale performance bazoba ne-problem serious.
Yeah, because also bear in mind also because Pyramid in Egypt, and Al Ahly they are from Egypt, right?
Yeah.
And the Pirates, the last game, the team as Egypt they won against the Al Ahly. You understand?
Yeah.
So maybe now that mentality, okay, we managed to beat Bababu. These ones they are nothing. But also in this stage, so much. Akumelanga undermine any team, you understand? Because if bafika kuma semi-finals, it means good they were performing, you know. And also we couldn't watch ama-game Pyramid to see ukuthi badlala kanjani. You understand? Because into sisho ukuthi if badlala better kuma matches wabo, then the Pirates they're gonna have a problem.
Yes.
They're gonna have a problem. And also I saw ama-yellow cards aphuma amaninginyana, but I'm concerned ngorele Mofokeng.
Yeah.
The attitude now abanayo, I don't know if you saw it or yimi kuphela, you understand? I saw sekane attitude nyana towards the game, towards abo referee and whatsoever, you understand?
Yeah.
And he was never like that.
Yeah, I think it's another concern ekumele kufundiswe lama youngsters about the attitude yabo backgrounding because players like urele like ama-key players. So if azothola ama-yellow card unnecessary kanje azocost the-team going forward.
Going true.
Yeah,
true.
so bangadlala manje i-semi-final probably athole i-yellow card. Yabo? Then final akasangeni and you know really mfethu umuntu ukwazi ukuthwala i-team, yabo? So those things I think kumele baba coaches zona eceleni like babe nama one-on-one babafundise nge-attitude not only ukutraina nje i-football, yabo?
Yeah. So I was very concerned about that because also lama yellow card they're just useless, you know. There was no need ukuthi angathola ama yellow card njengala. But also he's a young kid, young player. I think he just need a mentor, someone who's with a boy. You understand? Because over now, this one ngathi sukuba superstar. You know superstar syndrome. I think angay allow ukuthi imgene because it might kill the career or the talent anayo via e-disc. You know. So now going forward, we're having 2 South African teams and 2 teams from Egypt.
Yeah, it's going to be a difficult one because ama-team asele manje are strong and I know besingawabukeli kangako but sesijaja ngalawa wethu, yabo? Njengoba ngisho ngithi like according to performance I don't think they will make it through ngale performance yabo so kumele kube nama adjustment nyana, but I trust ucoach wePirates because I saw ama subs wakhe ukuthi bekazama ukwenzani and uyakhona ukubona igame my down uthi no la kumele ngenze kanje yabo, unlike some other coaches abazohlala bathi no lethi ngistike kule yabo, because kunale mentality yokuthi if it's not broken don't fix it.
True,
but sometimes you udinga ukuyilungisa ingaphukanga so that izoba stronger yabo. So I just hope to see Mamelodi Sundowns the Pirates final.
Like I think most of us, that's all we're hoping for. And that will be history, man, you know. And Massenjala is definitely one of the South African teams.
Yes.
Even though I know Pirates South Africa, it won't be the same. You won't have the same feeling. Because right now, me, what I'm looking at one team going Gukef. Then Maya Gukef, Israel, like South Africa stadiums to be packed. All the South African teams by a stadium for one team. That's what I'm hoping to see go final. You understand? Even though chances are very slim, we can have 2 South African teams who finals. You know. But looking at the Pirates in the pyramid, I think the Pirates, if bangabuya back for me, abobadlale grand, banga survive the pyramid. You know.
True.
Al Ahly, I'm not sure go Sundowns because now Sundowns but drawing Esperanza 0-0. The last game now, but winning 1-0. You understand? Also now, I think performance of the Pirates more or less the same. You understand? I tend busy to get so now in Egypt.
No. The other thing in I saw these things are Malaysia.
Yes, that part.
I think EPSL must look through it. Bazama ukpenalize into.
Before it penetrates to
because ngelinye sizoyibona badlala nePolokwane, yabo, then izoqala manje ingene, yabo. So asistayela sethu la South Africa. They must just cut that thing bayisuse nje. We must find another plan to intimidate ama opponents nama away fans.
Ngabusivuvuzela one time.
Once, not these things. Asistayela sethu.
Yeah, because also it's gonna kill our football, you know. And speaking of that, I saw today Bogune VAR. It was introduced today for the first time in South Africa, I believe. Yeah. So if VAR was there, going forward, what are you hoping if VAR?
Yazi VAR nayo still you must bear in mind ukuthi control abantu, yabo. So ama decisions still azazothathwa
referee.
Yabo.
But you fan?
Ingasiza lapho nalapho, but not 100%. Not 100%. That's my take.
Yeah, so going forward now, what is Nguinan? Pirates, Sundowns, final. South Africa, are we taking it?
Most
definitely. I think it's a must, but I think I'm betting more on Sundowns, even though Pirates they perform in the sharp, man. Now if they can fix few things, I think they can take it. I believe they can take it. Most especially the last match in Sundowns they won. You understand? The last match in Al Ahly they won. They have more chances to win this tournament more than any other team. Sundowns, because of experience they might win it as well because they've played Gukef so many times and they've won it. It's the last South African team win a foot. You understand? So I'm hoping really to see one team from La. Definitely one team go final, but we have to win it. End of the day, we have to win it. Nonetheless, man, that was analytic from the Orlando Pirates, and we're hoping to see these teams the final and also the win. I mean, but nonetheless, thank you so much for the subscribers, the likes and the comments. Just keep those subscribers coming. We're on our way to 500 subscribers. You know, so we're growing very fast. We only have 2 months, but we are approaching almost 500 subscribers. So make sure go to subscribe and also you share. And we're also gonna try to post more on Facebook as well, because also we have people from Facebook about NKHI than YouTube. You understand? But again, let's see what's going on. We're having Kaizer Chiefs, I think.
Nedbank Cup,
Nedbank Cup, Sundowns.
Yeah, also Pirates, the Marumo Gallants.
Hey, Chief, late. I know it's personal.
I think. Kuzoqala Orlando Pirates 3 p.m. Marumo Gallants.
Definitely some Pirates they're gonna win that game.
Yeah, but
looking at my track record, Marumo Gallants, let's not think it can be surprising. But looking at the track record, Marumo Gallants, I think they can win it. Okay, Chiefs, it's my team, but I doubt.
Yeah, but they have a chance.
Hey, I'm a fan of the Chiefs. I'm a fan of the Chiefs. Nonetheless, thank you so much for watching. Next episode. Beauty.